Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Then you can check the amount of steps taken on this watch in a couple of ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces display that information, and if they don't, you can always customize them. So we can open the watch face menu by pressing and holding on the current watch face, find the watch face you like, and once you find it, you can tap on the edit button under it, and now we can edit the watch face, and you can change the colors and stuff like that. And then you can swipe left and you will have the complications, basically widgets, and you can tap on one and then look for the steps. Can we set steps here? No, we can't. Oh no, we can. So we have steps, we can tap on it, and now the step counter will be on our watch face, and you can press the upper button to apply the changes. Another way to check the amount of steps taken is to open the activity widget. To do it, swipe left on the screen, it will open the list of widgets, and here we have the activity one, we have the step counter right here, and you can tap on the steps to open more detailed information, and here we have our goal, our graph from the day, we have also the stats for the calories and stuff like that. And you can also open the activity menu by pressing the crown button to open the menu, find the activity icon, tap on it, it will open the activity app, and you can check steps right here. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also check this in the phone application. So we can move this to the side, open, or rather bring our phone, zoom out the camera, okay, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can tap on the O Health application icon to open the app, and once you open the app, you should see the health page, and on it you should see the daily activity. You can tap on it, and here we have our steps, and we can tap on the arrow to see like more detailed information, and we have daily progress, weekly, monthly, and yearly progress, and you can check it, you can check the distance, and then all of the stats right here. And once you're done, you can close the app, and that's how you track the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.